As everyone may already know, the BMW M5 is the highest performance and top-of-the-line version of the 5 Series lineup. It is my pleasure and honor to present to you the newest and latest 2016 BMW M5 sedan in Singapore Grey Metallic. This one also comes with the Competition Package, Driver Assisted Plus Package, and the Executive Package. This means it is packed with everything you could think of. So for over 42 years, the 5 Series has provided the perfect balance of elegant luxury, classic style, and of course sporty performance. With the addition of the unique Gran Turismo, both body style offer intelligent appointments, outstanding comfort, and exceptionally handsome look. With all this being said, the new M5 comes with an intense V8 engine that pushes out an enormous 560 horsepower. This enables the M5 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4.2 seconds. Now that's impressive. As BMW states, the new M5 is really a sleeping giant. At first glance, the M5 may appear to be a standard sports sedan, but with 560 horsepower hiding under its sophisticated yet practical body, its sports sedan exterior gives way to raw power that can wake up just as fast as you can put the pedal to the metal. Hey guys, I'd like to present the stunning and all-new 2017 BMW M4 Coupe in Alpine White. The BMW M4 is a high-performance version of the BMW 4 Series automobile developed by BMW's Motorsport division, part of the renumbering that splits the 3 Series coupe and convertible models to the 4 Series to further differentiate it from the 3 Series. The M4 replaced the M3 coupe and convertible models. Upgrades over the standard BMW 4 Series include a very powerful and responsive twin turbocharged engine, improved handling, suspension, and braking system, aerodynamic body enhancements, interior and exterior accents with the trim color and motorsport badging, the significantly reduced weight compared to the standard 4 Series, and its predecessor with an all-new stiffer chassis and extensive use of carbon fiber, especially the roof of the car. Under the hood, it features a powerful 3-liter 6-cylinder engine that pushes out 444 horsepower and can hit from 0 to 60 in just under 3.8 seconds. So here's the key fob to the car. On there we have the lock, unlock, trunk release, and the panic button in red. You can also press this button on the back here to release the manual key. Now let's go ahead and unlock the car, start up, and let you listen to the exhaust sound. And of course, the M4 Coupe is equipped with a smart keyless access entry, so all you would have to do is leave the key in your pocket or purse, simply put your hand behind the handle to unlock, and touch right there to lock. Or you can use the manual key. First we have the frameless window. Here's a quick look to the interior. Of course, it is all leather with carbon fiber trim, looks very luxurious and sporty. Simply put your foot down the brake and press the start button right here to start the engine. Under the hood, this 2017 BMW M4 Coupe features the 3-liter 6-cylinder engine with BMW twin power turbo technology. The 6-cylinder engine pushes out 444 horsepower. Keep in mind the base model only has 425 horsepower, and compared to this model, this has the Competition Package. This is a 6-speed manual shift transmission. The M4 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour again in just under 3.8 seconds, and its top speed is over 155 miles per hour. Keep in mind this is a rear-wheel drive vehicle. As for fuel economy, the M4 gets 17 miles per gallon in the city, 24 miles per gallon on the highway, and when combined it gets 19 miles per gallon. And of course, this will vary depending on how you drive the car and how aggressive you're pushing it. To further enhance gas mileage, the M4 is also equipped with the auto start and stop feature. With this function on, the engine will automatically shut off at red light or when stuck in traffic. Here's the key fob to the car. On there we have the unlock, lock, trunk release button, and the panic button. You can also press this button on the back to release the manual key. Now let's go ahead and unlock it, start it up, and let you listen to the extremely loud exhaust. Now of course the M5 comes equipped with a smart keyless access entry. You can simply leave the key in your pocket. To unlock, simply put your hand behind the handle, and to lock, simply touch right there. It does come with a soft closing door feature, and it is much more sensitive than previous models. Here's a quick view of the blacked out interior. Looks very luxurious and clean. Plenty of leg space also for the driver and front passenger. To start the engine, push your foot down the brake and press the start button located right here on the dash. Under the hood, the new 2016 M6 again features the 4.4-liter 32-valve V8 engine with BMW M twin-power turbo technology. This V8 engine pushes out a massive 560 horsepower along with 500 pound-foot of torque. It is a 7-speed automatic transmission with sports and manual shift mode. The M5 can further accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4.2 seconds. And its top speed is limited to 155 miles per hour. Keep in mind this is a rear-wheel drive vehicle. As for fuel economy, the M5 gets 14 miles per gallon in the city, 20 miles per gallon on the highway, and when combined it gets 16 miles per gallon. And of course this will vary depending on which driving mode you're in. When in the sports mode, you get more power out of the engine but less gas mileage. And when in the comfort mode, you get more gas mileage with a slight decrease in power. To further enhance gas mileage, the M5 is also equipped with the auto start and stop feature. With this function on, the M5 engine will automatically shut off at red lights or when stuck in traffic, and as soon as the driver let go of the brake, the engine will instantly restart. Up front, there's the rain sensing variable intimate windshield wiper with adjustable speed, along with the aerodynamic exterior trim. Moving down, we have the all-new redesigned M4 competition front bumper with the signature BMW badge, M badge, and the iconic black BMW double kidney grille. Very attractive. For enhanced visibility with the lighting package, there's the full adaptive LED headlight with LED Corona headlight rings and cornering lights. In addition, there's also the automatic high beam assist. For additional safety and convenience, the M4 bumper also have built-in parking assist to notify the driver whenever the vehicle is close to hitting any objects. There's the corner reflector light. With the competition package, this model features the 20-inch M wheel with Star Sport wheels and performance tires. Behind the wheels, we have the adaptive M suspension with electronically controlled damper, M compound 4-wheel ventilated anti-lock disc brake with dynamic control, stability control, and brake fade compensation. All 4 wheels are of course equipped with a tire pressure monitoring system. Specific M4 side fender. Specifically designed M-style side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal light, power adjustable feature, power folding, auto dimming feature, heated control, and the active blind spot detector. Here's a quick look to the lower side. Very attractive. Moving to the back, first on top we have the attractive LED brake light behind the rear windshield. On top of the trunk top, as you can see, there is a small edge that rises. Looks similar to a spoiler. Quick look at the BMW badge. Tail lamps, brake lights, and turn signal lights are all LED. Very attractive and eye-catching. The rear also has built-in parking assist to notify the driver whenever the vehicle is close to hitting any objects. There we have the quadruple exhaust pipe. Also looks really aggressive. Now to show you a complete view of the top. The top is completely made with carbon fiber. Now this is standard and comes as basic feature, so you will not have to upgrade. As for the gas tank, just make sure the car is unlocked. To open, simply push in, and of course it does require premium unleaded gasoline. Let's see how much space we have for the M4 coupe here. Surprisingly, a lot of space, as you can see there. Inside, the first thing you'll notice is the hooks. You have two on each side. There's your battery. And below here we have more storage compartment. There's the user manual, 12-volt car charger outlet, additional hook, and you can also pull this out to fold down the rear seat. Same goes for this side. And here's the emergency trunk release. Up front, there's the rain sensing variable intermittent windshield wiper with adjustable speed. Moving down, we have the BMW badge and the iconic BMW double kidney grille with the M5 badge there. To enhance visibility, there's the xenon adaptive headlights with auto leveling, 4 LED corona headlight rings, automatic high beams, and cornering lights. For additional safety and convenience, the M5 bumper also have built-in parking assist to notify the driver when the vehicle is close to hitting any objects. Lastly, there's also 2 cameras built onto the front bumper, one on each side. Moving over to the side, there's the cornering light along with the side view camera. M5 side fender with integrated LED turn signal. Body color side view mirror with black accent, power adjustable feature, power folding, heated function, and auto dimming function. There's also another camera built in below the side view mirror here. As you can see, it is very loaded. And as part of the competition package, this specific model comes with the 20-inch M alloyed wheels. The front is equipped with 15.7-inch brake calipers and 15.6-inch calipers in the rear. Huge caliber in blue there. Behind the wheels, we have the 4 ventilated disc brake with dynamic stability control, brake fade compensation, start off assistant, brake drying, and brake standby feature with dynamic traction control. To the back, there's the rear brake light behind the rear windshield. Moving down, there's the M rear spoiler on the trunk top. The rear is also equipped with a rear view camera that automatically turns on when the car is put into reverse. Rear bumper also features parking assist to notify the driver when the vehicle is close to hitting any objects. These are both great safety features to assist driver in backing out and parking. Tail lamps, brake lights, and turn signal lights are all LED. And lastly, one of my favorite physical appearance of the M5 is the aerodynamic rear diffuser combined with the quadruple M chrome exhaust tips. These together make the M5 rear extremely sporty and eye-catching. As to the gas tank, simply make sure the car is unlocked, push in to open, and it does take only premium unleaded gasoline. Now let's go ahead and check out what's inside the trunk. As you can see, they're very spacious, plenty of room for anything you need to put in. We have hooks on both sides. Here's the user manual. More storage compartments down here. Same goes over here. And you can pull this lever out to fold down the back seat. Same goes for this side. Up here we have another spot to put your tools. And if you ever happen to lock yourself inside the trunk, don't worry about it. There's an emergency open lever here. And here we have two buttons. This button is to close the trunk, and this is to close the car door. Very attractive rear end. Here's a complete view of the top. This one does come with the sunroof there, as you can see. Also have the tilt function. Here it is with the tilt function on. And here it is with the sunroof fully open. Now we also have these roof racks on top here, which allows you to mount roof racks on there to carry extra luggage, such as you can even put bikes or boats on top. And for a closer look at what we have on the driver's side door now. 2 power window control with power side view mirror control. Side door storage compartment. M4 door sealed. Brake and gas pedal. And to open the hood, simply pull this lever out twice. Trunk release button. Power front seat control with lumbar support and 2 memory settings for easy readjustment of the seat. As you can see, very sporty style design. Have the M badge here, along with 2 opening space in between. Looks very aggressive and sporty. Let's go ahead and fold this seat, and we'll go back into the back, see how much space we have back there. Here's a quick look to the back. Seat belt also have the red and blue stitching, which looks really nice. Here I am in the back seat. Again, I am 5'7", weighing about 150 pounds. Complete view of the front from sitting in the back. 2 additional air vents for the rear, 12-volt core charger. Middle portion is split and raised, as you can see there. Have a compartment in the center with no middle console. Same style design as the front seat, as you can see here. Also have the latch system for you to carry your baby seat. Quick view to the side there. Quick look to the back. And directly above our head we have the lighting. Can't imagine carrying my kids in this car with this tight spacing. Oh, this is cool. You can also move the seat forward or backward from sitting in the back, but this will only allow when the car is not in motion. Here we are back in the driver's seat. We have the M Sport steering wheel with the red and blue stitching. Looks very detailed. Over here we have the different driving control. BMW badge in the middle with the horn. Voice command, audio mode control, volume control. Gear shift paddle, one on either side. Windshield wiper control. Right and left turn signal control, and that button on the end there. Driver air vent. Headlamps control. Interior lighting dimming. In here you have a small storage compartment. You can pull this lever down to adjust the steering wheel placement, and simply push it back up to lock it into place. Driver sun visor with a small credit card holder on the side or a paper clip. Mirror with light on top. You can also move this over to the side for better sun coverage. Moving over to the center, we have the beautiful navigation system display. Looks very nice. Carbon fiber trim also looks very nice. Door lock and unlock buttons with the hazard light control. That's where you insert your CD. Climate control right below that. And over to the side we have the engine start stop button, and on top is to control the automatic engine start and stop function. Here we have two cup holders, another 12-volt cord charger which can also be used as a cigarette lighter, and here is our gear shift box. Simply push over to the right to put it into drive, left for neutral, left up for reverse, and then simply leave it in neutral and make sure to put your emergency brake up to put the car into park, or else it will roll away. Traction control and different suspension control there. And here we have the BMW eye control, multi-directional, and simply press down to select. Carbon fiber trim again. Here we have the different display selection for the screen. Here's the map view, main menu, radio, telephone, and some more views there. Middle armrest console. Not much space inside, but you do have a spot for you to hold down your phone. USB and auxiliary input there. Glove box compartment. All the way over there you also have the trunk lock switch. If you move that over to lock, the person inside will not be able to release himself. Complete view of the dash here. Auto dimming rear view mirror also show you which direction you're heading to, and does have the built-in universal garage door opener by using those three buttons. Very nice feature to have. Light control on top. And lastly, we have your emergency roadside assistance button. And this one does not come with a sunroof, as you can see, for the carbon fiber roof. Now for a closer look at what we have on the driver's side door. Very unique and nicely designed. Here we have 4 power window control. At the bottom we have the window lock button, and this is the rear sunshade cover. Simply press once to raise and press once more to lower. Moving up, we have your side view mirror control, and the small button on the side here is used to fold and unfold the side view mirror. Very simple. Side door storage compartment. Here we have 4 memory settings for the front driver seat. Bang Olufsen speaker, extremely high quality audio. M5 door seal, brake and gas pedal. Here's your hood release lever and your trunk release button. Power front seat control also includes lumbar support. Here's a closer look at it. Very smooth seat belt. The lock and unlock feature does work on all 4 doors. Same goes for the soft closing door feature. Here's a quick look to the back. Same style design as you see in the front. Here we have the power window control. Bang & Olufsen speaker. Side door compartment. M5 door sealed on all 4 doors. Now again, I am 5'7", weighing about 160 pounds, so this will give you a better idea of how much leg space you'll have sitting in the back seat here. Complete view of the front for sitting in the back. Two additional air vent for the rear here. We also have additional dual AC heat climate control for back here, and a 12-volt core charger outlet raised up there. Now both back seats are heated. Now let's see what we have in the middle compartment here. Storage compartment, and on the end we have 2 cup holders. Here's a headrest control for the middle passenger. I believe you can also open another compartment here. The sun is really glaring right now. I'm sorry about that, guys. Here's a closer look at the back seat. Again, same style design as the front, and it does have the built-in latch system here. Again, very smooth seat belt compared to lower class series. Handbar on top with a spot for you to hang anything you need there. Directly above our head we have the light control. And on the side here we also have additional air vent, and there's another one on this side also, so you don't have to worry about getting hot back here. And both rear window does have the sunshade cover, but it is manual, so you have to pull it up and roll it back manually. Still very nice to have, especially on sunny days. And we're back in the driver's seat. Here we have the 3-spoke M Sport M5 steering wheel. Look and feels very sporty. Over here we have the different cruise control options and settings. BMW logo in the middle with the horn. Over here we have the audio mode control, volume control, Bluetooth phone answering option, and the voice command. The sport gear shift behind the steering wheel. Windshield wiper control, you can push the button on the end there to put it on automatic. Over here we have the right and left turn signal along with your high beam. And you can press this button on the end here to control the different display, such as your trip reset and date and time. Down here we have 2 buttons. This button is for the heated steering wheel, and the smaller knob behind it is used to control the steering wheel placement. Driver air vent. Below that we have your headlights control. Further down we have your lane assist, and this button here is used to control and turn on and off the display, head-up display that is. It's blinking due to the camera. In real life it doesn't blink at all, and it's a nice feature to have. Another storage compartment here. Moving on up we have your driver's sun visor with a credit card clip on the side. Small piece of mirror with light on top, which turn on and off according to the open and closure of the mirror. And you can move this entire visor piece over to the side for better sun coverage. Handbar over here. Moving over to the middle, we have the beautiful navigation system display, currently in the radio mode. Below that, 2 additional air vents. In the middle, we have your hazard light control along with the car door lock and unlock button. Here's your engine start and stop button. Below that, we have the auto start and stop feature. You can press once to turn it on or off. In the middle here is where you insert your CD. Volume control here by twisting it or press down on it to turn it on or off. These buttons are touch sensitive. You really don't have to press it, and as you can see here, as I move my fingers across the button, you notice it changes. Climate control. Two cup holders with a 12-volt core charge outlet in the middle. And we also have a slot here for you to put the car remote. Here's the BMW i controller. It is multi-directional, and you can simply twist it or press down to select. On top, we have the different display selection. Here's the navigation view, and of course you can twist the knob to zoom in and out. Phone view there, media view, and radio view. Here we have a removable ashtray. Convenient if you're a smoker. And here's the power parking brake. Lift up to activate and push your foot on the brake, press down to deactivate. Now make sure you activate this when the car's in park. Neutral, up to put the car into reverse. When you do so, rear view camera automatically display here on the screen with guided lines which move according to the movement of the steering wheel. Side view mirror will also tilt down, giving you a better view of the rear. Over to the right to put the car into drive and sport mode. After that, simply push up or down to change gears, or you can simply use the gear shift paddle located behind the steering wheel. The gear will also display there. Again, there is no park for this car, so the car will be in neutral. Just make sure you activate the power parking brake, or else the car will roll. Over here we have your traction control and the different suspension mode control. Over on this side we have the parking assist and the camera view. Press the camera button and it will display the side view in the front. Also the rear view there. Very nice and convenient feature. Armrest compartment, and there we have another 12-volt core charge outlet along with your USB and auxiliary input. And we also have this trunk lock switch. If you move this over to the lock, you will not be able to open and release yourself from inside the trunk. Glove box compartment. Here's a complete view of the dash. And as you notice there in the middle, the radio is currently off, so once you turn the audio on, the speaker will raise, looking very classy and give you the best and high quality sound. Moving on up, we have your rear view mirror with auto dimming function, and right below that we have 3 buttons which you can use to open and close your garage doors. All you have to do is input your garage door codes in here. Further up we have your light control. SOS is for roadside assistant. And in the middle here we have your sunroof control. There it is with the tilt function on. And here it is fully open.